New tonight, living in filth and fear. Tonight, San Antonio renters are begging the city to do something about what they say are unlivable conditions at a West Side apartment complex. Take a look. Mice droppings, roaches, and mold. Bear Creek residents say they have nowhere to turn. Tonight, KENS 5 reporter Hannah Tita is looking into their concerns. Hannah?
Henry, the code enforcement slips are stacking up at one woman's home. She's reached out to the city 10 times in the last year. But tenants tell us the conditions keep getting worse, and so does their health. A San Antonio mother says she cleans every day, but mice poop still piles up on windowsills and in corners. The family showing us where a mouse chewed through a backpack in their Bear Creek apartment. So the mice literally ate your homework?
Yes.
Fearing retaliation, the woman asked us not to show her face.
Her biggest concern is that she's living in an apartment with her kids that's just not even adequate.
She says it's an infestation of mice and cockroaches. The woman has lived here for years, but seeing everything packed in plastic bags, you would think they just moved in. We're told property managers aren't doing anything. We looked up who owns the apartments, and an out-of-state company is listed on property records. We called several times, but haven't heard back.
If one of her children were to be bitten by those mice, that she's afraid that Child Protective Services would open a case against her.
Rashes now cover her son's leg. One resident shared photos of mold covering walls and cupboards. Another said the sound of gunfire is constant.
I told them we'll put a camera so you can see people are coming in. You know, people steal cars and they park them here.
Here's Sophia Lopez with Statewide Housing Justice.
And there really aren't enough tools in place to make sure that the quality of the housing that exists is what people deserve.
And tenants tell us they are paying more than $1,000 a month to live in fear. I did reach out to code enforcement and Councilwoman Terry Castillo's office. When we hear back, we will update our coverage. Reporting live, Hannah Tita, KENS 5.